This tabletop is 60 by 30, and I've sanded both sides. I found the center. I think I'm going to make chevrons there. Well, I've started the cutting process. I've got the chop saw over here because obviously I can't put it up there. I'm doing 45 degrees, going to do a chevron thing here, design, and I measure, and then I'll have 4 of these. You know, I got 2 here. Probably each coordinate will be the same. And well, this is pretty cool. I've got 2 more here, 2 more over there, but all the big boards are done, and it looks really good. Obviously, nothing's been stained yet. I'll be doing that today and then start gluing them together tomorrow. Very cool. Just as a note here, in cutting off a long piece, about halfway through, I clamped it. Instead of it flopping and ripping and so forth, it held up very nicely. Excellent idea. I trimmed the edges and I used 60 grit sandpaper to eliminate the stain and make it very smooth on the joints. It's not perfect, but it's very smooth. Next is 80 grit, then 120 and so forth to get it down. But before I do that, I'm going to put the edges on. Got to decide how I want to do that. Glue and nails probably. I don't know how else to do it, but it looks great. We have to decide what kind of stain we want to put on here. Everything is sanded down and ready to go. Next I put on the pre-stain and then the stain, and Stacy came up with a great idea. We're using half and half this red Sedona and then half the darker stain, so it's going to look like that. I think it's going to turn out spectacular, so let's get going. Okay, there it is with Stacy's fancy stain mix of Sedona red and I think a walnut of some sort. This looks really good. Looks terrific. Dry overnight, and tomorrow I start the polyurethane. Here's the first coat. Looks really, really good. Okay, everything is screwed in. I got 4 bolts here, and 4 here. I've got these braces here are going to be in the back. So, get Stacy up here and we'll flip it over and we'll have the moment of truth. Here is the finished product. I think it's turned out really, really well. Looks great. I'm very happy with it. Table looks great. Yep. I'm going to be pleased. I am pleased.